I'm so sorry I didn't see you. Actually, I was having chocolate because I was hungry. But I'm glad that you all are here. My name is Prajakta and I'm your friend who's going to guide you for waste no more. So you tell me, how many of you eat chocolates? Okay, I know mama scolds, but sometimes you can have chocolate. Okay, so after having chocolate, what is left behind? The wrapper. You can say it's a waste. So whenever you eat chips or you drink milk, what is left behind? The plastic packet. And that packet is nothing but the waste. I shouldn't be making a mess. After all, it's my classroom. So do you remember who met Plasto in the ocean? Yes, he met fish and then he met that comb. So what did the comb say? Do you remember? The comb said that nobody leaves this ocean. This wrapper is stuck from last 26 years and counting. 26 years. Think twice. 26 years. It took so long. Why did it take so long for just one wrapper? So I was wondering, from 26 years, this wrapper was down and was looking brand new. So I was thinking, shouldn't it break down into small pieces and go back into the earth, just like the leaves? See. These leaves are green, then they turn into brown and they turn into black and eventually goes back into the soil. So this whole process is known as decomposition. So decomposition is a process when something breaks down into small pieces and goes back to the earth. Just like these leaves, eventually they go back into the soil. Why doesn't it happen with the chocolate wrapper? Then I realized these leaves are natural things and the wrapper is a man-made thing which is made out of plastic, and that's the reason it did decompose. So I decided to do some research, and you know what I found out? You want to know? Okay. So let's play a game. So I have few items which are man-made and natural. But before we start a game, okay, you should make a team of 4 people. So I have few things with me. You just need to guess how much time it takes to decompose. So do you remember what is decomposition? Something which breaks down into small pieces and goes back into the earth. That process is known as decomposition. So we'll start with the first item, which is apple. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. So how much time it takes for an apple to decompose? $10 days, 20 days, 30 days, 100? Yes. So it's 21 days, means 3 weeks. So the next item is cotton t-shirt. How much time it takes to decompose? Think in months. So maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It's 4 to 6 months. The third item we have is a plastic bag. So this is plastic, means it's a man-made thing. So what do you think? How much time it will take? You should think in years. A year, 2, 10 to 20 years. Quite a long time. The next item we have paper. Paper is made out of tree. How much time will this paper take? Just 50 days. So the next item is metal can. So metal can is made out of aluminium, and aluminium is quite hard. So think in terms of years. How much time it will take? $200. You heard it right. It's 200 years. And the last thing, which is more important because we use it on a regular basis. Plastic bottle. Any guess how much time this bottle will take? I'll give you one hint. It's written 10 to 20 years for a plastic bag, and the texture of plastic bag is soft. This plastic bottle is more hard. So think in terms of years. It takes 400 years. It's a quite long time. I'll note down here. You will survive for 400 years. Neither me nor you are going to survive. Apple, cotton t-shirt and paper take shorter time to decompose. Plastic bag, metal cans, Tetra packs will take more time to decompose. But these are the things we use so often. Many of these things are very important for us, but I'm not happy with the way we are throwing it away. So if you really segregate our waste and follow few steps, we can actually make our planet a healthy place to live in.